Today, I will be introducing you to our smart EV chargers. As our main focus as Growatt, we are dedicated to become the world's largest supplier of smart energy solutions. In today's presentations, I'll cover the following. Basically, I'll focus on the general introduction of electric vehicle chargers. I'll move on to product overview and application scenarios, and also some of the leading features and working modes, and of course, the Growatt smart home solution. As a general introduction, as Growatt, we are a leading manufacturer in two different types of electric vehicle charging products, which is namely the AC and DC charging. As you can see from the left side, we have an AC Growatt Thor EV charger, which ranges from 3 kilowatt to 22 kilowatt. And on the right side, we have the DC current, which is the Growatt Thor DC EV charger, which is rated at 40 kilowatts. Mainly, the AC charging stations, they focus more on home charges, which ranges from 4 to 5 hours. That is the charging time. And on the right side, the DC charging stations, usually 15 to 60 minutes, which is quite faster than the AC charging stations. Then we have modes of charges that are different. The EV charging modes varies across different scenarios. Mode 3 is popular for residential usage, and Mode 4 is mainly for public and commercial charging applications. For the purpose of this presentation, I'll focus on Model 3 and Model 4. As you can see, the Model 3 is an AC charging station. Basically, it consists of the control, communication, and protection functions, which are incorporated in the charge point, and a wide range of charging varies from 3.2 kilowatts to 44 kilowatts, especially for residential usage, and the DC charges, which is specifically for commercial and public areas or applications. We have the charging standard of the CHAD EMO, which is the CHA demo, or the CCS, wide range of charging capacities over 150 kilowatts for public and commercial charging applications. As Growatt, we have the Thor AC charger, which is usually for residential applications and ranges from 3 to 22 kilowatts. And of course, the commercial applications, which is found on DC chargers of 40 kilowatt rated capacity. Then these are the different chargers that we have. We have on AC chargers the North America, which is type 1, the J1772. Then we have for Japan, which is type 1 as well, and the EU and other markets is of type 2. Then of course China, which is GB/T. As you can see on the far right, we have the all markets except EU and China, which is basically the Tesla. So the charger type, we have got two main types, which is type 1 and type 2. As you can see for both the AC and the DC, we have CCS1 and the CHA demo, as well as the CCS2. Moving on to product overview, basically we have got the smart AC EV chargers. So on the smart AC EV chargers, we have what we call the Thor 0307 ASS or Thor 0307 ASP, which is basically for residential applications and rated at 230 volts, that is AC, and ranges from 3 to 7 kilowatts. Then the charging times varies from 7 to 15 hours. And we also have the Thor 1122AS-S or the Thor 1122ASP, which are two different modes depending on the type of the plug or the socket. Moving on, still on product overview, we have the Growatt Smart DC EV Charger, which is the Thor 40 DDP Thor 40 DSP, which is a fast charger with 750 volts DC and single CCS type output or dual CCS type outputs, at the charging time ranges from 1 to 2 hours. Application scenarios. The Thor EV charger covers the full residential and commercial scenarios. As you can see on the left side, that's for residential application. On the right side, we have the commercial applications. Some of the leading features: driven by solar. What does that mean? It means that you can charge your EV charger with 100% renewable energy by surplus solar power. This maximizes the benefits of your solar system. Still on leading features, we have what we call smart management. On smart management, please note that these Growatt EV chargers, they support remote control and smart scheduling. Remote control and monitor the real-time status of the charging, and also the smart scheduling by multiple working modes, and also remote firmware upgrade by OTA technology. Still on some of the leading features, and they know that these EV chargers are extremely safe with overall protection. The overall protection of the Thor EV charger guarantees the operation safety and reliability, factoring in the lightning protection over temperature, earth leakage, short circuit, and so on. And the compatibility of these EV chargers is one of the advantages of Growatt EV chargers. They are compatible with all branded EV. With the Thor EV charger is highly flexible and compatible with all branded EVs, thanks to its attached Type 2 charging gun or interface. Still on compatibility, these Thor EV chargers, they are compatible with different branded PV, as you can see on the system on the right side. Some of the leading features going on: the full flexibility. These EV chargers, they support 3 different ways of charging activation. Users can define freely for different scenarios. The first one, which is just a plug and play. The second one, which is via the mobile app. And the third one, which is via the RFID card. Then, still on the system flexibility, we have the Thor EV charger that provides flexible communication, which is via Wi-Fi or LAN or even 4G. Then moving on to working modes, we've got different working modes of these EV chargers. The EV charger will be charged at maximum power coming from a renewable energy source or simply from the grid, especially for quick charging if you are in a hurry, and support multiple control strategies of timer, charging capacity, and charging budget, as you can see below. Then we have what we call the off-peak mode. Once enable the off-peak mode, then the EV charger will automatically charge the EV when it's at off-peak time to reduce the electricity bills, as you can see on the diagram. Then we have what we call the PV linkage mode. Then this is driven by solar. Charge your car with 100% renewable energy. The EV charge will be charged by the surplus solar power, dynamically combining PV and EV charge together to maximize the solar self-consumption rate and cut your bills at the same time. More on the PV linkage mode. This is basically how it works. As you can see on the far right side, we have that curve shown, which gives the relationship between the power and time. As you can see, we've got what we call the minimum operation power or the minimum operating power. Once that is reached, whatever the PV panels produces after that value in kilowatts, we call it surplus power, then that goes to charge your EV. We have also the manual boost. The manual boost is only available based on the PV linkage mode and be useful if you arrive home with an almost empty battery and want to quick charge the EV car to ensure enough energy for a short trip if needed. And exactly how it works, you can see on the curve on the right side. While in manual boost mode, the EV will be charged at maximum power, that is fast mode, for a set period, even drawing the power from the grid. After that, turn back to normal PV linkage mode. Then we have the smart boost. It's only available based on PV linkage mode and off-peak mode, and it guarantees EV battery capacity before a set time. Even the solar energy is sufficient or off-peak time is short. Then this is how it works. The smart boost will enable to charge the EV with a target kilowatt hours figured by set time. It may draw the power from the grid to guarantee the EV's battery capacity when the solar has enough energy, or the energy is sufficient, or the off-peak time not long enough. Off-peak charging forced start or stop button. Users may use this button when the wake mode is off. Peak mode or the activation way is plug and play. Then the load balancing. The EV charge offers power balancing function at home. The EV charge can read the incoming power to the house with an additional CT. Then the EV charger will adjust its charging power dynamically according to the home power to avoid exceeding the limited point. Always charge your car at its maximum charge speed without triggering the limited value. Then this is what we call this Growatt smart home. Then basically it's a home that integrates solar energy storage, smart EV charger, water heater, VPP interface, and IoT devices to increase a household rate of PV self-consumption. Also help you to enjoy the new lifestyle of green plus smart energy. Then moving on to application scenario 1, we have solar plus storage plus EV charger demo system. This system is in China, and the device list, we have the full 7 kilowatt smart EV charger and the 5 kilowatt solar system and a 7.68 kilowatt hour ARK lithium battery and the Grow Home energy management platform. Boost solar self-consumption rate and gain more energy saving. Scenario 2, we have the solar plus storage plus EV charge system. This one is in Adelaide, Australia, consisting of the Min 5000 TLXH and the 10.2 kilowatt hour ARK lithium battery and the full 7 kilowatt smart EV charger, the Grow Home energy management platform. Thank you.